search. Today I am gonna teach you how to run Linux terminal without downloading it on PC, or you can use it for Android. So step 1. Open your internet browser and search for Kali Linux on Works. Click on the first link onworks.net Kali Linux. Then a page will open where a button called Run Online. You click on it. After, another page will open and click on Start button to run your operating system. OS is starting in progress. It will open after 15 seconds. So wait. It shows you an enter button. Click on enter button. It will start after 25 seconds. You can wait for 25 seconds. Loading kernel. Starting the OS. My internet is slow at that moment, so it is restarting. Here it is your operating system. It will connect to the server, connected to OnWorks, waiting for response. And here open the CentOS 61064 minimal Kali Linux operating system. Here it is the Kali Linux operating system. Here is the Firefox ESR, and here is terminal. Here is files and another software for Kali Linux. It is the quick access framework which is used to hack CCTV camera or any web camera. So let's start with terminal. Here it is the terminal, root at the Kali. So if you want to code, you can code, and I write a simple code. It is running to the T-bomb, and it will work for your code. So thank you. Bye bye. Tata.
got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.